Meaning of fugal.
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 Fugal. Fugal is an adjective that describes something related to a fugue, which is a type of musical composition characterized by a main theme that is introduced and then imitated by multiple voices. The term fugal can be used to describe the structure, form, or style of such compositions, as well as their specific musical elements, such as counterpoint, imitation, and subject development. In general, the use of the term fugal implies a complex and highly structured type of music that requires careful attention to detail and skillful execution on the part of the performers.